Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Secret Desk is probably one of the most versatile and innovative pieces of furniture you can add to your home office or living space, offering a clever solution for those who need a functional workspace without sacrificing aesthetics. Imagine a sleek, minimalist unit that seamlessly blends into your decor, only to reveal a fully equipped desk when you need it, transforming any corner into a productive hub. This hidden gem is designed for modern living, where space efficiency and style are paramount, making it an ideal choice for apartments, studios, or any room where a dedicated desk might feel intrusive. Number 5. GABRYLLY Ergonomic Office Chair. Experience unparalleled comfort with our ergonomic office chair, designed with 4 key support points for your head, back, hips, and hands. It offers customizable lumbar support and adjustable features to perfectly suit your needs for long working hours. Maximize your workspace with our innovative flip-up armrests. Simply fold them up to slide the chair completely under your desk, keeping your area tidy and functional. Adjusting the armrest height is effortless with the convenient buttons. Stay cool and comfortable all day long thanks to the breathable mesh seat and back. Its generous dimensions accommodate various body types, and the chair supports up to 400 pounds, ensuring durability and comfort for extended use. Find your perfect posture with the adjustable recline function, allowing you to tilt back between 90 and 120 degrees or sit upright with ease. This feature enhances comfort whether you're working or relaxing. Enjoy smooth, quiet movement across any floor with our high-quality Pmnianhua wheels. The robust 5-pointed base and sturdy frame provide exceptional durability and a stylish look, built to last. Setting up your new chair is a breeze, taking only about 15 to 20 minutes with all tools and instructions included. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with our comprehensive 5-year warranty and dedicated customer support. This chair is designed to comfortably fit individuals between 5 feet 5 inches and 6 feet 2 inches. If you require a different gas cylinder size, our team is ready to assist you. We are committed to resolving any parts or functional issues promptly. What we like? This chair offers excellent ergonomic support with multiple adjustment points for head, back, hips, and hands. The flip-up armrests allow you to tuck it neatly under your desk, maximizing your space. If you spend long hours sitting and need a comfortable, supportive chair that can adapt to your body and workspace, this is a great choice. What people say. Zero noise after it was all put together. But the best part of all is it has a tall, medium, or short assembly for the seat. That way the seat is not clipping the circulation at the back of my knees. My feet are flat on the floor when the seat is low, and if I lift the seat all the way up, my feet sit very comfortably on the footrests on the chair frame. Customer service messaged me in response to my concerns and offered to send modification parts to lower the chair and the armrests, extend the seat depth and provide better lumbar support, at no charge. The chair was simple to assemble. One person is all you need and the instructions are clear and easy to understand. Second, the materials are top quality, think dense plastics and solid metal. Third, the adjustment options are plentiful. Number 4. RP Minis Desktop Boxing. Feeling stressed? Introducing a fun and engaging way to release tension right at your desk. This desktop boxing game is the perfect outlet for your frustrations. Unleash your inner boxer with this compact and exciting game. It's designed for quick stress relief whenever you need it most. Don't let stress get the best of you. With just a few punches, you can feel the tension melt away. It's a great way to clear your head. This isn't just a toy, it's your personal stress relief companion. Keep it on your desk for instant access to a moment of calm and fun. Experience the satisfaction of a good workout without leaving your workspace. It's small enough to fit anywhere but powerful enough to make a difference. The RP Minis desktop boxing game offers a unique way to de-stress. Enjoy a playful yet effective method to manage your daily pressures. What we like? This is a fun and unique desk accessory designed to help you blow off steam. If you're looking for a quirky way to de-stress at your desk during a busy workday, this is a playful and engaging option. What people say. Sits on his desk and is a little stress reliever. It has also become a conversation piece as everyone wants to try it. It's cute and small, does not take a lot of space. This desktop boxing game is a fun, stress relief tool perfect for the office or home desk. Its compact size makes it easy to use during short breaks, helping improve focus and reduce tension. The playful design encourages quick bursts of activity that can boost mood. Save Raymond amusant to CE defouler sur CE petit punch in bag desktop. Number 3. South Shore Tiara Loft Bed with Desk, Twin. Discover a smart solution designed to make the most of your child's room. This versatile piece offers ample storage and a dedicated workspace. Keep everything organized with 4 drawers, a hanging closet, and 3 open shelves. It even comes with 2 pink storage baskets for extra convenience. This unit features a retractable work surface, complete with a drawer and built-in lighting, creating an ideal spot for homework and creative projects. The space underneath can be a secret hideout with 2 entrances, or a practical area for storing seasonal items. Crafted in North America from non-toxic laminated particle board, it ensures a safe and sturdy environment for your child. The baskets are made in China. Please note that a mattress and accessories are not included. This item comes with a 5-year limited warranty and ships in several boxes, which may arrive separately. What we like. This loft bed cleverly combines sleeping space with a functional desk and ample storage, including drawers, a closet, and shelves. It's perfect for a child's room where you need to maximize space and provide a dedicated area for study and play. If you're looking for a space-saving solution that also adds a fun element to a kid's bedroom, this is an excellent option. What people say. The materials are very sturdy, the assembly pieces are good quality as well. The closet and drawers open and close smoothly. The secret hideout is super rad. The desk with light is super handy. Saves so much space with a dresser and closet built into it. Number 2. AODK electric standing desk with drawers and keyboard tray. Stay connected and charged with integrated power outlets and USB ports. Enhance your workspace ambience with customizable LED lighting offering multiple modes. Keep your essentials organized and within reach using the 2 cloth drawers and a convenient keyboard tray. The unique iron structure simplifies assembly, saving you time. Improve your posture and reduce strain with the full-sized monitor shelf. It also provides additional space for your study or office necessities. Easily transition between sitting and standing with a height range from 29.9 to 46.1 inches. Save your preferred heights with 3 programmable memory settings. Maintain a clutter-free desk with the integrated hidden cable management system. Keep your workspace neat and organized, promoting a more focused and pleasant environment. Get set up quickly and easily. With clearly labeled parts and step-by-step instructions, assembly is straightforward and hassle-free. What we like. This standing desk offers electric height adjustment with memory presets for easy switching between sitting and standing. It also features built-in power outlets, USB ports, and LED lighting for added convenience and ambience. If you're looking for a modern, feature-rich desk that promotes a healthier work posture and keeps your devices charged and your space well lit, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. Beautiful sleek design, clean, simple with some storage, very detailed instructions in plain English, not choppy or obviously translated, amazingly quiet motor, it moves up and down smoothly and doesn't jump or skip at all. Good and detailed packaging for assembly, built-in lights with tons off modes and brightness options, built-in power strip with 3 outlets and 2 USB ports. The electric height adjustment is super smooth and quiet, and it works perfectly with our walking pad when it's elevated. It makes it so easy to switch between sitting and standing, or walking, without interrupting focus. Every piece is labeled for easy assembly, which was very nice. It is very heavy, so beware, but I would rather it be heavy than flimsy. The quality is a lot better than I expected. You can even set your heights. It is very quiet, way quieter than I expected. Number 1. Pmnianhua white wooden wall-mounted folding desk. Discover a smart way to maximize your space with this innovative wall-mounted desk. Its foldable design makes it perfect for any room, big or small. Setting it up is a breeze with all the included hardware and clear instructions. Plus, the smooth finish makes cleaning as simple as a quick wipe. Unfold it to use as a functional desk for work or makeup, or fold it up to reveal a neat bookshelf. It adapts to your needs throughout the day. Crafted with a unique baseboard skirting line design, it offers both elegance and stability. The heavy-duty metal brackets and thick desktop ensure it can handle your daily essentials. Designed with your safety in mind, it features rounded corners to protect against bumps. Enjoy a fully functional piece of furniture that doesn't compromise on style. Ideal for bedrooms, dorms, or any area where space is limited. It's a practical and stylish addition for remote learning, hobbies, or simply staying organized. What we like. This wall-mounted desk folds away neatly when not in use, making it ideal for small living spaces. It offers a sturdy writing surface and a convenient storage shelf for books or supplies. If you live in a compact apartment or room and need a functional desk that doesn't take up permanent space, this is a brilliant, minimalist solution. What people say. It came very well packaged and needed assembly. It took me about an hour to assemble it and another 20 minutes to mount it to the wall. The instructions were clear and every part was labeled and extra screws and fittings were included. The lamination feels very durable and there were no blemishes visible, and they included color-matched stickers to plug the holes for the cams and screws. The desk must be secured to the wall, otherwise it tips over. The angling to accommodate the baseboard is a really nice feature. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.